कौन बानवा सेंसे?
Konnichiwa, minasan.
Konnichiwa sensei.
Hi.
Konnichiwa.
कौन बनवा सकते हैं?
Okay. So today, do you guys have any doubts so far up till chapter number 13, which we have done last to last class? Okay. So today we are going to start.
फ्राइडे को क्लास नहीं हुई थी?
Sorry?
मैम फ्राइडे को क्लास नहीं हुई थी?
नहीं, Friday को I had cancelled.
Okay.
Yeah, where was I? Yeah. So do you guys have any doubts till chapter number 13? Okay. Fair enough. So I am going to start today chapter number 14. I have already shared this PPT of verbs with you guys. इसमें सारे verbs format है. Okay, जो लगेंगे which will be used in your next couple of chapters. Everything is there in the PPT. So you can just download it, keep it with you, or probably save it, whatever you are following. Just do it, okay? So what are we going to do right now is let us first start with the vocabularies, and then we will start with the explanation. Okay, now I understand one thing, that your verb is divided into three groups. In Japanese grammar, your verbs is divided into three groups. Okay, group 1, group 2, and group 3. Okay, the the Roman numbers which you see here, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, these are your group numbers actually. These are actually your group numbers. Okay. Now, how are you going to identify which verb will fall under which category? I will be telling you that while we do the, while I'm going to explain you chapter number 14. Now, chapter number 14 is very important from your, sentence formation point of view. There are a lot of rules as to where you will have to use verb in te form. Okay, lot of rules where you'll have to use verb in te form, verb in root form, ta form, nai form, or nakata form. Okay, each chapter is dedicated for each forms. Your first, that is the verb in te form, the vocabularies. Yeah, let us just go through the vocabularies and then let us start with the chapter. Okay, stop me if you don't understand anything. Tsukimasu, turn on. Keishi, shut. Isogimasu, hurry. Machimasu, wait. Tobimasu, stop or park. Magarimasu, turn to the right. So Migi A Magarimasu will be turned to the right. Mochimasu to hold. Torimasu, take or pass. Tetsudaimasu, help with the task. Yobimasu, to call. Hanashimasu, to speak. Misemasu, to show. Oshiemasu is to tell an address. Hajimemasu, start or begin. Furimasu, to read. Kopi shimasu is copy, like Xerox. Aircon, air conditioner. Pasupoto, passport. Namae, name. Jisho, address. Chizu, map. Shio, salt. Sato, sugar. Yomi kata, way of reading. Kata is basically a suffix for way of doing things. Okay, so if you say mi kata, it means way of looking or way of seeing. If you put tabe kata, way of eating. Okay, so kata is basically your suffix of way of doing something. Okay, next page. Yukuri, slowly or leisurely. Sugu, immediately. Mata, again. Atode, later. Mo sukoshi, a little more. More, more or another. T desio, sure or certainly. So whenever you have yo at the end of your sentence, it means that with lot of confidence and with lot of basically proof, you are stating a statement, you are telling a statement. And if at all you have nay at the end of your sentence, it means that you are not sure about that particular sentence. Okay. Sa, right. Are, o. Shingo o migi e magate kudasai. Shingo o migi e magate kudasai. Turn to the right at the signal. Matsubu, straight. Sorede omega ishimasu. I would like to pay with this. Like you give cash or you give card and you just say that korede onega ishimasu. Pay with this. Otsuri, change. Okay, are we clear with the vocabularies, everybody? Lot of verbs you are seeing here. Lot of verbs we have here. So this chapter is all about your verb in te forms. Okay. Okay. Now, if you look at your textbook, chapter number 14, page number 116. If you look at your textbook, Okay, you are looking at three boxes, box 1, box 2, and box 3, like 1, 2, and 3. The meaning of this box is these all are your group 1, these are your group 2, and this is your group 3. Now, how are we going to change your verb in te form to must form? Must to te form is you are going to look at the PPT which I have shared with you on your students portal. Okay. Now, one thing you have to keep in your mind that changing verbs into any format or any pattern is not changing the core meaning of your verb. For example, if I am changing tabemas to tabete, it means to eat only. Tabete is not changing the meaning of the verb. Are we clear, everybody? Okay. Now, your verbs are divided into three groups, okay? I'm starting with the third group because in third group, we have only two verbs, that is kimas and shimas. Kimas is to come and shimas is to do. Now, what are we going to do here is we are going to remove mas and we are going to add te. So, kitte and shitte becomes your verb in te form for kimas and shimas. Okay, everyone? Kimas, kitte, shimas, shitte. Simply remove mas and add te. Kimas, kite, shimas, shite. Third group will have only these two verbs. Okay. Only these two verbs your third group will have. Coming to your second group. Yes, Mukul-san.
Ma'am, when we are changing the form of the verb and actually the meaning is not changing, then what is the purpose of changing the forms of the verb?
So verb in te form is used in your sentence patterns. Okay. Now, when I talk about root form, nai form, ta form, and nakata form, these are the forms which is representing your tenses. Only verb in te form is not representing any tense. Why? Because this is the only pattern or this is the only form which is used in your sentence pattern rather than your tenses. Meaning, I will try and make it a little bit more simplified. Your must is representing root form of the verb. Your masen form of the verb is representing your nai form. Mashta is representing ta and Masen Dashta is representing Nakata. Now, any of you who's following animes very rigorously, you will see that they don't use these type of tenses in the sentences. They will use taberu, tabenai, tabeta. Form of the verb representing, which is actually representing your original tenses. Are we clear, everyone? No? Have you understood, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So the third group will have only two verbs, that is kimas and shimas. Your second group. Now, how are you going to identify your group two verbs? Now, wherever you have e before mas, you will have this e letter. E. Tabemas, kakemas, akemas, or whichever words will have that a sound. Can you see that tabe has that a sound? Tabemas, kakemas, akemas. Wherever you have this e sound or the a sound, that group, that verb is divided, categorized in your second group. Are we clear, everyone? The same rule will follow. You remove mas and you add te. So tabe mas ka te form will be tabete, kake mas kakete, ake mas akete. Are we clear? We have a couple of exceptions here. Now, if you like pronounce these words, okimas. Can you see that e sound is coming? Okimas, e sound is coming here. Okimas, orimas. abimasu, mimasu, dekimasu, karimasu, kimasu. Wherever you have this E sound, has everyone tried and pronounced these words? So these words will be categorized as your second group and not in your first group. Okay? Okay. And then the last form, and the last you have, that is your group one. Now, group one, what are you supposed to do is, you have to look at the entire verb. For example, look at this I mass here. Okay. You are removing must, so must is not going to play any major role in your changing in your te form. As a matter of fact, anywhere it is not going to make any use. Any which ways you are going to remove must, so we are going to remove must and we are only going to concentrate on I here. Now, wherever you have e, chi or re in your verb, e, chi or re, it is going to be replaced with double te. So can anyone tell me what will I mass? What will be the te form of I mass? You remove I and you add double te. So it will be
Ate.
ate. Perfect. Ate. Mochimas will be motte and ovarimas will be ovate. Are we clear, everybody? These are the subgroup in your first group. Okay. Group 2 and group 3 are pretty straightforward. This is group 1. Group 1 may you have subdivisions. This is the first division, ichiri. Then you have mini B. So yumimas, shinimas, and yobimas will be replaced with NDE. So here, me, ni, and B. If you see this, me, ni, and B will be replaced with NDE, nade. So yonde, shinde, yonde. Okay? Clear, everyone? Then words like kakimas, where you have standalone key. You don't have a single character here, do we? We don't have a single character like E, Chi, or Re. We have key here. So key, then this entire key will be replaced with ite, I-T-E, single I, single T-E, ite. So this will be kaite. Kakimas will be changed into kaite. Then G will be replaced with ide. So oyogimas mein oyo ide. Hanashimas mein hanashite. You remove mas, you replace she with shite. So hanashite. Now, we have one verb which is an exception, that is ikimas. Ikimas is to go. Now, if you see here the key, we have standalone key for ite, correct? ITE. But we already have one I here. If you see, if you write ikimas, you remove mas and you write iki. If you use this format, itte wala, so it will be iitte, which sounds very wrong, right? It sounds very wrong. So this ikimas is an exception and it will become itte. Small su and te. Double te. Itte. Are we clear, everyone? Are we clear with the first group, everybody?
Sensei.
Yeah.
So it's becoming a bit confusing to understand why,
Sorry, your
why
voice
we
is your voice is breaking, Megha.
are. Okay.
Huh.
Am I clear now? Am
Yeah,
I
go
audible?
ahead. Yes,
Yeah, so
yes,
just
go ahead.
wanted to know why we are using all these groups and formats, because it's a bit confusing for me, Sensei.
See, these verb and they form will play a very important role because when you are forming certain sentences, for example, you are taking permission. If you want to take some kind of a permission, if you want to tell somebody that, do this task, verb and they form is the format which we use. This pattern is used in your sentence. Verb and they form is used in your sentence pattern. Okay, it is more used in your sentence patterns. If you are finding it this difficult, then you are having four new formats, that is root form, nai form, ta form, and nakata form. This is pretty
Okay.
straightforward.
Because
See,
earlier
all
also
you
we
have
were
to,
using mass format and it was easy, so that's why.
yeah. So mass. So see, up till chapter number 13 like was your level 1 of N5. Now this is like your level 2, where the stakes are higher, the level is rising now. The level N5 level is going up now. So here you are going to look at, now this chapter onwards, you're going to look at more sentence pattern rather than your grammar particles. Your grammar particle is already done up till chapter number 13. Chapter number 14 onwards, 14 to 25, you are going to see sentence patterns. As to, there will be certain patterns where te plus kudasai will be used for, please do. Verb in te form plus kudasai means please. When you want to, request, when you're requesting somebody, what is the pattern? When you are stating a statement, what is the pattern? Like that. So verb in te form plays an extremely important role. Okay. And here it is pretty straightforward.
Okay, Sensei.
These patterns are pretty straightforward. All you have to do is simply keep this, what do we say? Keep these rules in your mind and just take like a couple of verbs and start, converting as in start changing them. Start using your verb in te forms. Okay, change it. You have the rules in front of you. Just make a list of all the verbs up till now, whatever verbs you have learned, and start changing them to verb in te form, into te form. Because that is the only way which will help you to understand these. Also, we do have a song also. We do have a song also in this for this pattern actually. 1 second. Wait, let me just share the link of this thing with you. Okay, let me just share the link with you so that that might also help. Okay, so this is this is like the verb in te form ka song. This actually helps you to understand the entire verb in te form. Okay. Whenever you feel that, looking at the PPT is very overwhelming, just listen to this song. I'm sure it will help you somewhere. Okay.
Okay, Sensei.
So yeah. So this is the
I'll
verb
get it.
in te form. Anyone has any doubt anywhere?
Sensei, this is
Yeah.
Kanika.
Yes, Kanika. Hi.
Hi, Sensei. Could you please just sort of pronounce the changes? So basically, a verb which is ending with ki, kakimas, will become kakite, is it?
Kakimas. Kakimas will become kaite. Kaite.
Is that mate is also a modification of any of these words? Mate? No, right?
Mate?
Yeah. Like they say choto mate.
No. That is a phrase. No.
Ah.
Don't get confused with the phrase and your verb. These are like your standalone verbs. You're going to pick up any verb and you're going to change it to verb in te form. The chotomate kudasai is like your, it's a phrase. It's a completely different part. It's a phrase.
So oyogi mas will become oyo ide.
Oyo ide, yes. So you are replacing this G with ide. So oyo is going to remain as it is. You replace this G with ide. So oyo ide. So oyo ide.
Hanashimas will become hana shite.
Correct. So because you're replacing this, you are removing mas. You are deleting mas. So bacha kya? Hanashi. So hanashi ka you are replacing the she with shite. So hana shite. Hana shite.
And this exception, I can't read. This is she, this highlighted exception. Imas. Sensei, what is this written? The exception.
What have? Yeah, ki will be replaced with ite. Correct? Ki will be replaced with ite. We have ki here. In ikimas, we have ki here. But if you actually change it to ite, so this one I we already have. One I we already have, so it will be te, which sounds wrong, correct? Te sounds wrong.
Yes.
Te sounds wrong. So this is an exception that ikimas will be changed to ite. This rule will come. So we keep I as it is and double te ite.
Itte. Okay. Only for
Yeah.
ikimas.
So, Sensei, I have one more question. Like we have
Yeah.
4 tenses in Japanese, so we'll be having 4 formats. Am I correct?
Sorry, come again. We have what?
Like, for example, the current slide which you have on screen, it's must format, which is present tense.
No, this is
Um,
not for the must format. No. No. This is not for the must format. The
okay.
subsequent pages, if you see, this is nai form. So this is like masen will be replaced with nai. So for example, if you are saying tabe masen, you can use tabe nai. You can
Tabe
replace
nai.
masen with nai. But
Yeah,
for
exactly.
verb in te,
Mm.
so for verb in te form, it is not your tense. It is a standalone format which is used in your sentences. This verb in te form is not representing any tenses here.
Okay. Like,
This is
mm,
not
uh,
representing any tense.
okay. Like, for example, like we have must and then masen,
Correct.
and then
Mashta and masen deshta.
mashita, masen deshta. So these are the
Yeah,
4 tenses that we have
correct.
exactly in actual.
Correct.
But
Correct.
like when we talk about these, like the current formats that we are learning, so here also is this something relatable to that or not?
No. That's what I'm telling. Masen, mashta, and masen deshta has nothing to do with te form. You cannot
Okay,
say that tabe te, tabe mas ka, tabe te is your present tense. No, it is wrong.
okay,
Tabe
okay.
te
So,
cannot be a present tense because te form is standalone used in your sentences, in your sentence pattern. It cannot be used as a standalone form. Clear?
standalone. So how are we going to use it in present and then in negative and in past? How are
We
we
have
going to
chapters
use
for
this
that.
state?
Don't worry. No.
Okay, okay,
We have subsequent chapters for that.
okay,
Basically,
got it.
verb and te form. See, if it is getting very confusing, keep this in mind that verb and te form is nothing but a modified form of a verb.
Modified form. Okay, got it,
Just
Sensei.
keep that in mind that it is a modified form of a verb. Just keep that in mind. But that is
Okay,
only for verb and te form.
okay, got it, Sensei. Yeah.
Okay?
So I'll learn
Yeah.
this in the upcoming
Yeah.
chapters. Yeah.
Any other doubts anybody has?
The sensei, the she mass is a third category altogether. It's not like the top category, which also has an I. I, chi,
No.
and E.
This shite is different and this shimas is different. This is your standalone word. This is different and this is different. This is your entire word only.
She mass, ki mass. So it'll become kite, shite, and
Huh?
tabe mass will become tabete.
Correct. Tabemas will become tabit. Correct.
Hi.
Yes. Any other doubts anybody has?
So up till now, we
Types of
learned like
sentences, that is. Sorry, yeah. Come again.
the thing is like up till now we learned like basic verbs and sentence. Right now, like these are like advanced way of like pronouncing the verbs,
Yeah,
right?
that's what I'm telling. So
Uh,
up till 1 to 13 was your basic level. N5.1. Chapter number 14 is your N5.2.
Okay, ma'am. And
This
after
goes a
that,
little higher now.
so after this, like this, is there anything any more is there like this making of like day form? Is
We
there
have
any?
four. So I will tell you after this chapter, after chapter number 14, your next important chapter is your chapter number 17, 17, 18, and 19. Extremely important chapter. Your entire paper will revolve around these chapters. 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 is your informal tone. So like basically 20 is nothing but your mix of these chapters 14, 16, 17, 18, and 19. It is a mix of 20th chapter. It will also include your adjectives. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So basically, verb and they form is used for four different patterns, sentence pattern, that is request, permission, prohibition, and ongoing action. So this verb and they form will be used in sentence in which you are requesting something, you are taking permission for something, you are saying no to something, and your action is ongoing, continuous action is happening. So these are the four sentence pattern which will take verb in they form plus other rules which we are going to see. Are we clear, everyone? Any doubts anybody has so far? No doubts? Has everybody understood verb in they form? Everyone has understood?
I sense.
Bhavna,
I
Megha,
sense it.
Gayatri, Kanika, Mukul-san, you guys have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi,
I
Sensei. The
Sensei.
logic makes, yes, got the.
Sorry? Sorry.
Hi, Sensei. It has not registered. I won't remember it. I'll have to, but I get the sense. I get
Yeah.
the.
See, for every different patterns, you will have these set of rules. The PPT which I have shared on your students portal has all 5 formats. Mas, Masen, Mashta, Masen, Deshta. It has all the 4 formats. So for each chapter which we are going to refer to the same PPT. Okay. So just make sure that you are revising the something which you will forget. Ichidi, Mini, B. So the song which I have shared will help you. If you remember in the song format, it helps. It has helped, it will help. Okay. So let us come to chapter number 14, page number 116 of your textbook. So I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes. I'm giving you like 5 minutes. I want you to go through this chart. And if you feel that you have not understood anything from the chart, please just ask me. Take 5 minutes and revise this chart. Just go through it once. I'm repeating again. This is your first group, this is your second group, and this is your third group. So here the first group rules will apply, second group rules, and third group rules. We have only two sentences, 2 words here, Kimas and Shimas. Just take 5 minutes and go through this pair chart. If you feel you have not understood anything, please let me know.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do you have the one you shared? This one you shared, right? The words with like group 1, group 2, and group 3.
Yeah.
What is the file name called as? In the
What is
sheet?
the?
File name, like you said, like it's in the portal, right? So I'm searching for it. So I couldn't find the name actually.
I have. It's like verbs. I have kept verbs. Verb PPT.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, found it.
Got it?
Yeah, got it.
Oh, perfect. Okay, has everyone gone through the chart? Any doubts? Do we have any doubts? Yeah, any doubts, guys? Clear? Are we clear?
Sensei,
Yeah.
I have one confusion.
Yeah.
Like
Okay.
in group 2, it has a Karimas, right?
Karimas, yes.
Karimas. So we remove the mass and put te.
Correct.
But same resound is like in group 1, we can see the Kaeri mass. So same resound, right? Why in
No.
group 1?
No. For group 2, you are not looking at the re sound. You are looking at the E or A sound. Karimas. Can you see that E is coming? Karimas.
Okay.
Karimas. Can you see that I'm stressing towards re more and kairimas I'm not stressing?
Okay. Yeah.
Sure, Kanika, go ahead.
Arigato, sensei.
Hi, Doso. Got it, Gayatri? Are you clear?
Hi, yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Okay, have we gone through the chart, everyone? Okay. Okay, now let us look at the sentence patterns. Okay. Now, the first pattern which you are going to see here, that is your verb in te form plus kudasai, means please do. Please do. So what you can do is just write here verb in te form. Now, when I say verb in te form, it has to be like verb, and just put just write like this. When I say verb in te form, verb in te form plus kudasai is equal to please do. Okay. Then you have the again Mashoka pattern. Now, in this chapter, you are going to learn something called as a stem of the verb. Does anyone have any clue what is stem of the verb? Stem of the verb. Okay. Stem of the verb is nothing but when you remove must from your verb and you keep the remaining word as it is. For example, for example, from ikimasu, you're removing mas and you're keeping iki as it is. So this iki becomes your stem of the verb. Are we clear, everyone? This iki becomes your stem of the word. Similarly, if you remove nomi mas mise, if you remove mas and you keep nomi, this nomi becomes your stem of the verb. Are we clear, everyone? Stem of the verb. So if you want, you can just note it, write down in your words what is stem of the verb. Stem of the verb is nothing but you remove mas and you keep the remaining word as it is. That remaining word becomes your stem of the verb. Just note it down.
You already told us.
Sorry?
13th chapter, I think so.
We have done this? Perfect. Perfect. So if we have done stem of the verb, perfect. Okay. So the second sentence pattern which you will see, that is stem of the verb plus mashoka. This is your question format. Mashoka is shall we or shall I, to whoever you are asking this question. So it becomes shall I, okay, or shall we, to whoever this question you are asking or referring to. It will be shall to that particular person, okay. Okay, and the last pattern, verb in te form plus imas, will be action happening right now. It means that right now at 8:40, that action is ongoing still. We are still in the class, so this action is like ongoing. Okay, so verb in te form plus imas is your action happening right now. Write it. Verb in te form plus imas, action happening right now.
Can you once again repeat it, Sensei?
Yeah, sure. So verb in te form plus imas. Any verb in te form, any verb you take plus imas. If imas is coming at the end of the sentence, verb in te form plus imas means your action is ongoing. Your action is happening right now. It is not completed. It is not negative. It is not like, past negative. It is happening right now. As of now, present time mein it's happening. Okay?
Hi, Sensei. Okay.
Perfect. Has everybody understood the pattern, sentence patterns? You'll get a more clear idea when we actually read the sentences. So you'll have a more clearer idea. Okay. So second way, first one I'm reading. So hidari e magate kudasai. So please take a left. So magarimasu is to turn. Hidari is left. So please turn to the left. So verb in te form plus kudasai. Okay, please format. If I want to tell you that please drink water. So mizu o nonde kudasai. Drink water, please. Mizu o yonde kudasai. Or if you are in a restaurant and you want one juice, so that's a different pattern. But in the verb in te form, if you want to say, so you will say, what will be the word for to bring? Any idea?
Moraimas.
Moraimas is to carry. So the sentence, so motte will be the word. Motte. Motte. So the sentence will be mizu o motte kudasai. Please bring water. Okay? Are we clear, everyone? So this is how verb in te form plus kudasai is used. Second, hidari e iso ide kudasai. Isogimasu is to? What is isogimasu? Is to?
Hurry.
Correct. So please hurry. Okay, hurry, rush to. So please hurry. Are we clear? Verb in te form plus kudasai. Okay, next. Sumimasen ga shio o motte kudasai. Motte kudasai. Sorry, totte kudasai. Sumimasen ga shio o totte kudasai. So totte will be torimas, take or pass. So the must form of totte is torimas. So sumimasen ga shio o totte kudasai. So please pass the salt. Excuse me, but can you please pass the salt? Or please pass the salt. Okay? Sumimasen ga denwa bango wo oshiete kudasai. Oshiemas is to tell. So can you please tell me your telephone number? Tell me the telephone number. Are we clear?
Hi, Sensei.
Everyone, are we clear? Have we understood verb in te form plus kudasai pattern?
Yes, Sensei.
Perfect. Third, tetsudai mashoka. Tetsudai mashoka. So tetsudai mas is to help. So shall I help you? Tetsudai mashoka. Shall I help? Then mukae ni ikimashouka. So what is mukae ni? Meeting. Mukae ni means meeting. So shall we go to the meeting? Ikimasu is to go. Mukae ni is meeting. So mukae ni ikimasho. Shall we go to the meeting or shall I go to the meeting? Whoever you are addressing to. Sato o torishimasho. So torimas is to pass. So shall I pass the sugar? Sato is sugar, correct? Shio is salt, sato is sugar. Are we clear with masho format, everybody? Okay. And the last format, verb in te form plus imas. Mira-san wa ima ripoto o yonde imasu. So Mira-san right now is yomimasu is to read. So Mira-san is right now reading the report. Ima is right now. So your action is happening right now. Verb in te form plus imas means action happening right now. Mira-san wa ima video o mitte imasu. So Mira-san is watching the video right now. Mira-san wa ima Nihongo o benkyou shite imasu. Mira-san is studying Japanese language right now. The question what you can ask here is Mira-san wa ima nani o shite imasu ka? What is he doing right now? Whatever action is he is doing. Are we clear, everyone? Have we understood verb in te form?
Hi,
Yes, ma'am.
Sensei.
Perfect. Okay, let's start with the chapter. Now, what I was supposed to do here is you look, now we are not going to, okay, come on, let's do that. Okay, we still have time. Let us figure out something and do it. Okay, yeah. But before that, I want you guys to solve this box first. Before starting the exercise, I want you to do this. I'm going to give you 5 minutes for this. We have to change your mas into te form. If you want, I can keep the PPT open for you guys. Like I can do it simultaneously. Yeah, I can do like this. Yeah. So I wanted to solve this. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. No. Yeah. So I wanted to solve this first and then we will start with the exercises. Please solve this. Yeah. Start. Try. If you don't understand, leave that, go on to the next verb. Try but. Done, everyone? Shall we discuss this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the first one. Ikimasu will be
Ikite.
an exception. Ite, not ikite. It's an exception. Ite. Next. Isogimasu.
Isoide.
Correct. Nomimasu.
Nonde.
Asobimasu.
Asonde.
Perfect. Mochimasu.
Motte.
Yeah. Kairimasu.
Kayete.
Correct. Kaimasu.
Kate.
Katte. K-A-T-T-E. Katte. Because ichiri first group ka first subgroup. Ichiri. T-E. Kashimasu.
Kashite.
Kashite. Tabemasu.
Tabete.
Yes. Okimasu.
Okite.
Correct. Mimasu.
Mite.
Perfect. Benkyo shimasu.
Benkyou shite.
Very nice. Kimasu.
Kite.
Perfect. I hope everybody has got the right answers. Okay. Now, what are we going to do here is we're going to look at the photos and we are, okay, before starting, let us take a break for 10 minutes, everybody. Come back by 9:10, take a break, be refreshed and come back by 9:10. We start with the exercises. We'll see how much we can complete or else we'll start in the next, we'll continue in the next class, okay? 9:10, everyone.
Sensei.
Yes, Gayatri.
Yes, Sensei, I have small confusion actually.
Yeah, go ahead.
Like with for the okimas, for that e sound we remove the mask and put the te.
I'm sorry, your
In
voice
second
is
group.
breaking. I'm sorry, your voice is breaking.
Am I audible now, ma'am?
Yeah. Go ahead.
In second group for the okimas, right?
Huh?
For that e sound, we remove the mask and put the te. So
Yeah, correct.
okay.
Okay. Yeah,
So
okay.
what is the difference? Like ikimas also have the e sound, right? Ikimas. But why we consider ikimas as a group 1 and okimas as a group 2?
Because ikimas, you are not going to stress so much on ki. Are you going to stress on ki? Okimas.
Okay.
Okimas. Just say okimas and try saying okimas. Any which ways you are for like if you see the difference between the two, ikimas mein you are not going to press so much on key, but okimas mein you are going to press a little bit on key. Okimas, ikimas.
Okay.
You are not
Sensei.
pressing so much on key here.
Okay, Sensei.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Arigato.
Okay. Let us start with the first one, everyone. Passport o misete kudasai. So please show the passport. Please show passport. First is open your bag. So it will be, to open will be, please keep your vocabulary book with you. Okay, to open will be
Okemas.
akemas.
Akemas.
So akete. So akete kudasai. So nimotsu o akete kudasai. Open your bag, please. Or open your luggage, please. Next is Xerox. So copy shite kudasai. Copy or shimas is to take Xerox. Literally means to take Xerox. So copy shite kudasai. Then third will be park your car there. So the answer will be form the sentence.
Totte kudasai.
Sorry, which one?
Totte kudasai.
Stop the car there.
Kuruma o totte kudasai.
Yes. Totte kudasai. Yes. Fourth. Write the report. So report to o kaite kudasai. Okay. Is everyone clear with the exercise? See, you will take some time to, adjust, or you will take some time to, it will take some time for you to even, strike the proper verb. But then that's okay. Once you are thorough with the verb, all you have to do is just concentrate on the group and under which group it is going to come. Are we clear, everyone?
Hi, Sensei.
Okay. Okay, question 2. Chotto tetsudaimasu. Chotto tetsudaimasu. Sumimasen ga chotto tetsudatte kudasai. So excuse me, but what is tetsudaimasu? To help. So can you please help? Excuse me, but can you please help? Little help, please. Literally means little help, please. Chotto tetsudatte kudasai. Little help, please. Okay, so all you have to do is here simply put sumimasen at the beginning and change this mas into te form. So tell me, tsukemas will be what?
Tsukete kudasai.
Tsukete kudasai. Perfect. Shimemas?
Shimette kudasai.
Shimette kudasai. Very good. Hanashimasu?
Hanashite kudasai.
kudasai. Perfect. And torimasu?
Torite kudasai.
No. Torimasu ichiri. First group. First subgroup. So torimasu will be totte, no? Totte. You're replacing re with double te. Ichiri.
Torite kudasai. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi.
Next. Mado o akemasu. Sukoshi. So should I open the window? Shall I open the window? Sukoshi akete kudasai. Yes, little please. Little open karu please. Or please open little window. Or please open little bit. Like that. Okay, so again, you are changing this akemas to masho format, and then this verb only you are changing it to te plus kudasai. So please open. Okay, so tell me the first one. Kore o kopishimasu. So kore o kopishimasho ka? The answer will be gomai. So gomai. So gomai. Kopishite kudasai. Kopishite kudasai. Correct. Ripoto okurimasu to send. So ripoto o okurimasho ka? Shall I send the reports? Sugu, immediately. So sugu ripoto o okurimasu. So okutte kudasai. Is everyone understanding?
The third one I couldn't get it actually. That's in the beginning. itself.
Sorry?
No, the
Sorry?
third one. The second one I got it. The first and second one I got it. The third one I'm saying. The third question I'm saying.
You're not understanding third one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's pretty simple. So what are you supposed to do here is you are asking the question first. So shall I format? Masho is there. You remove must, you add mashoka. So mado is window. So mado o ake mashoka. Mado o ake mashoka. Shall I open the windows? Window. Sukoshi. The answer is already given in the bracket. Everywhere. So sukoshi. So sukoshi akete kudasai. Yes. So is like yes. Yes. Little open, please. Got it?
Yeah,
So,
I got it.
Yeah.
So Sensei, you are adding this masho because we have this masenka, which is in the question format. Because we learned
No,
it
that
in,
is a
I
different
think.
pattern. That is a different pattern. If your question is in Masen, then your answer
Mhm.
has to be in Masho. But here the
Masho.
question is only in the Masho format, no?
Okay.
Yeah.
Masho form. Okay.
Yes. Here the question is only Masho format.
Masho. Okay. Okay, Sensei.
Yeah. The third one. Takushi o yobimasu. Takushi o yobimasu. To call the taxi. So please call two cabs. So ni dai. Mechanical objects, taxi is a mechanical object, so dai counter. So takushi o yobi mashoka. So ni dai yobimas will be yonde kudasai. Yonde kudasai. Clear, everyone?
Hi, Sensei.
Ashita mo kimasu juji. So tomorrow also you will come. So ashita mo kimashoka. Will you come tomorrow? Or will I come tomorrow? Whoever you are addressing the question to, their answer will be juji ni kitte kimas hai to kitte. Third group kitte kudasai. Got it, everybody?
Hi, Sensei.
Everyone has understood. Okay. Fourth, tenki o keshimasu e. Tenki o keshimasho ka. Keshimasu is to go out. I mean, the electricity has gone. Sorry, it is denki. Denki, not tenki. Yeah, it is denki. Denki o keshimasu e. So denki o keshimashoka e onega ishimasu. So if your answer is positive, then it will be onega ishimasu. If it is ie, then kekko desu. If you see here, you have kekko was there here. 1 second. Okay, not in this chapter, but in previous chapter, you have a word called as kekko. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of kekko desu? If you guys have gone through the vocabularies, can anyone tell me what is kekko desu? Kekko desu. Kekko. No one? Are we not revising vocabulary? Yeah? Are we revising vocabularies? Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of kekko?
No,
I'm waiting.
no, thank you. No, thank you.
Correct, correct. No thanks. Polite way of rejecting. Ye kekko desu, no thanks. Good. So wherever you have a, it is positive. Yes, onega ishimasu. Yes, please. And ie is kekko desu, no thanks. Okay, or I'm fine. Okay, so the first one. Chizu o kakimasu e. So chizu o kakimasho ka. So answer will be a, onega ishimasu. So this a is your, again, a formal way of saying hi, that is yes. Okay. Nimotsu o mochimasu. So nimotsu o mochimashou ka. Iie kekko desu. Here you are not changing your verb in any format, okay? You are not changing your verb into any format. You are keeping your verb as it is. You are not, in the answer, your verb is not getting changed in the te format, okay? Eakon o tsukemasu. Eakon o tsukemashou ka. Iie kekko desu. No need. Ekimade mukae ni ikimasu e. So should we meet in front of the station? Ekimade mukae ni ikimashou ka e onegai shimasu. Clear, everybody? Have we understood questions 1 to 4? Any doubts anyone has? Anything which you have not understood? Everyone has understood?
I sense it.
Okay, now this is very interesting exercise. Okay, so you look at the photo and form verb in te form plus imas. That is your action happening right now. So ima tegami o kaite imas. So I'm writing a letter right now. Ima tegami o kaite imas. I'm writing a letter now. Now tell me the first one. I am on a phone, speaking on a phone. So the sentence will be ima.
Ima denwa o kakete imasu.
Perfect. Ima denwa o kakete imasu. Perfect. Second, I'm drinking coffee or tea, whatever you want to say. So it will be
Ima kohi o no notte imasu.
nonde. So ima kohi o
Nonde,
nonde imasu.
nonde.
Nomimasu becomes nonde.
Nonde imasu.
Yes. Correct. Next.
Ima dance o
Hmm.
shite imasu.
Correct.
Ima tabako o
Tobacco o suimasu. So it will be
sutte imasu.
perfect. Tobacco o sutte imasu. Perfect. Are we clear, everyone? Have we understood?
I should say.
Got it? Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Okay. Now, this question 6 is a very interesting one. Question 6 and 7 both are interrelated. Okay. What are we going to do here is, one second. Okay. Okay, what are we going to do here is we are going to look at the photo. We have 4 people in the scenario. Mira-san, Wan-san, Karina-san, and Santosu-san. So first we are going to locate them. So here we have Karina-san, here we have Wan-san, here we have Santosu-san, and we have here Mira-san. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now in the question we have Yamada-san. So here is your Yamada-san. Okay. So Yamada-san wa nani o shitte imasu ka? Yamada-san wa nani o shitte imasu ka? So what is he doing? Nani means what? Te plus imasu ka. So kodomo to asonde imasu. So he's playing with a child. So asobimasu ka asonde. Your first subgroup. Second, mini B. First class, second subgroup, mini B. So asobi mass will change into asonde. So he is playing with the kid. Your question pattern remains the same for all the 4 people. So first is Mira-san. So we are going to locate Mira-san. So here is Mira-san. So Mira-san wa nani o shitte imasu ka? So what is he doing right now? So what will be the answer? He is speaking to Shumito-san because we have a verb for to speak. So he is speaking to Shumito-san. So your answer will be Mira-san wa Shumito-san to hanashite imasu. Shumito-san to hanashite imasu because we want verb in te form plus imasu as your sentence pattern here. Are we clear, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then, so this Mira-san is done. Now we look at Wan-san. So Wan-san is here. So Wan-san is here. He's reading a newspaper. So your sentence will be Wan-san wa nani o shitte imasu ka? So he's reading a newspaper. So what will be the sentence? Shinbun o yonde imasu. Yomimasu becomes yonde. Mini B. First group, second subgroup. Mini B. Are we clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Third, Karina-san. Karina-san is here. She's painting. So Karina-san wa nani o shitte imasu ka? So your answer will be E o kaite imasu. She's painting. E o kaite imasu. Kakimasu is to write or draw. So kakimasu. So E is painting. So she is painting. And the last one, Santosu-san, he is here. He is resting. So Santosu-san wa nani o shitte imasu ka? So he's sleeping. You can simply say that he's sleeping. To make our life easy, we'll say he's sleeping. So nette imasu. Nemas is to sleep. Nette imasu. Or if you want to make a bigger sentence, you can say he is resting under the big tree. Okay? Are we clear with this exercise, everybody?
Ma'am, for last sentence for resting, can we say yasundem imasu?
Yeah, yasunde imasu also you can say he's resting. Yasumimasu, it will be yasunde. Yasunde imasu, correct.
Okay.
That is also okay. Correct. Are we clear with question 6, everyone? Okay. Question 7 is the same continuation of chapter question 6. Okay. So what are we going to do here is now. Okay. Yeah. So what are we going to do here is we are going to read the sentence first. So Karina-san wa nani o kaite imasu. So what is she doing? Karina-san, again, look at Karina-san, she. So what is she doing? So you can say she is drawing flowers. So Hana o kaite imasu. She's drawing flowers. Okay. Yamada-san wa dare to asonde imasu. With whom he is he playing? With a kid. So Kodomo to asonde imasu. With the kid he is playing. Clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Have everyone understood? Anything you have not understood?
Understood, sincere. It's
Okay, so
easy.
try this. Sorry?
It's easy to understand from the picture, actually.
Yeah, it's easy to understand from the picture. So, doko de nette imasu. So, where is sleeping? Doko is where? So, where is he sleeping? So, you can say under the tree or besides a person, whatever. So, what will be your answer? Under the tree. So, under will be shita. So, ki no shita nette imasu. Under the tree, he's sleeping. Ki is tree. Ki no shita, below the tree. Ki no shita nette imasu. Below the tree or under the tree, he's sleeping. Are we clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Try the third one. Wan-san wa nani o yonde imasu ka? What is Wan-san reading? He's reading a newspaper. So, shinbun o yonde imasu. Shinbun o yonde imasu. And the last one. Mira-san wa dare to hanashite imasu. With whom Mira-san is speaking? So he's speaking with Shumito-san. So Shumito-san to hanashite imasu. Speaking with Shumito-san. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. I hope you guys have understood this. Okay, next page. Renshu C will be homework. Now here you are supposed to change this must into te. So make sure that you are solving. If you have any doubts, please. If you have any doubts, please do let me know, okay? Okay. We'll start with the listening part. Chuttamakthane. 50.
第14課問題1番
1、
今雨が降っていますか
Ima ame ga futte imasu ka? Is it raining right now? Whatever is your answer, you write. Next.
2、
今何をしていますか
What are you doing right now? So whatever you feel right, studying, resting, whatever. Third,
3、
今何か飲んでいますか？
4、
今何を読んでいますか？飲んでいますか？ Next,
今家族は何をしていますか？
今家族は何をしていますか？And the last one.
5、
あなたのうちの住所を書いてください。第14課、
Sorry. Yeah. We start with this thing.
2番、
1、
佐藤さんはどこにいますか？
1階でコピーしています。呼びましょうか？
ええ、すぐ呼んでください。
はい、わかりました。2、新大阪までお願いします。
You couldn't hear. Yeah.
2番、
Yes.
1、
佐藤さんはどこにいますか？
1階でコピーしています。呼びましょうか？
ええ、すぐ呼んでください。
はい、わかりました。
What will be the answer?
First one.
Sorry?
First one.
No. Try listen to it again.
2、新大阪まで。
2番、
1、
佐藤さんはどこにいますか？
1階でコピーしています。呼びましょうか？
ええ、すぐ呼んでください。
はい、わかりました。
Second one, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Ikkai he told, no? Ikkai. So first floor. Ikkai is first floor. And here they have given second floor. Okay. Second.
新大阪までお願いします。
はい、
あの信号を右へ曲がってください。
はい、
あの白いビルの前で止めてください。
Only one word you have to keep in mind for this. What do you think is the answer?
And can you repeat the audio?
Yeah, sure. Let me.
2、新大阪までお願いします。
はい、
あの信号を右へ曲がってください。
はい、
あの白いビルの前で止めてください。
Come on. Pretty easy.
First one.
No. Migi, no. She's saying Migi. Take right. Migi is right. So that is how you will figure out. One word. Migi is right, no?
Yes, yes.
So second is the answer. Okay. And the third one.
3番、
1、雨が降っていますね。一緒にタクシーで帰りませんか？
今日は車で来ましたから、一緒にいかがですか？
ああ、そうですか。じゃあお願いします。男の人と女の人は一緒に車で帰ります。2、
True or false?
True.
Correct. True is correct. Good.
山田です。こんにちは。今週の土曜日にうちでパーティーをします。ミラーさんも来てください。木村さんも来ますよ。また後で電話をかけます。
土曜日に木村さんの家でパーティーをします。3、
カリナさん、
Second.
True.
Correct.
その辞書ちょっと貸してください。
すみません。今使っています。
じゃあ、後でお願いします。
男の人は後で辞書を借ります。
Third.
True.
Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Now I'm going to give you like 10 minutes to solve this question. 5th, 6th, 7th. 7th, I want you to try as homework. Try this as homework, Dokai. 4th, you have already solved. So 5th, you have to like mark the appropriate option and write the appropriate verb in they form. Next, again, verb in they form you have to choose. And 7th is your Dokai. Read the paragraph and answer the question. Okay, so start. I'm going to give you 10 minutes. 9:50, we are going to discuss this. Start.
Ma'am, third one is true, right?
Third one is false.
Okay.
Yeah. Are we done, everyone? Still more time? Let's discuss everyone. Okay, so tell me the first answer. Okay, so question 1 is isoide, 2 is kite, 3 is motte, and 4th is shimette. Question 6, first asonde, second is futte, and third is shitte and oyoide. And for 7th, your answers all first and second is false, third is true, fourth is false. Okay. I'm not going to do any kanjis today. We are going to do kanjis in the next class, but next class I'm going to do like 2 pages of kanjis because we have missed today's class and last class since I was not there. So we are going to do twice the kanjis in the next class. So make sure that you are revising everything and coming for the next class. In case you have any doubts, do let me know. Okay. Thank you very much for today. Arigato. Arigato. Hi, arigato.
Arigato, sensei.
Arigato.
Oyasumi sensei.
Hi, Urasumi.